Alright everybody, I'm back at you again here. This is the Cable Doctor. I'm going to show you something today. This modem here was sent out a long time ago. If you had Blast, which is like the 200 now, it used to be like 150 or 125. So if you've been a customer for a while, you probably got this modem. It's the XB3. Basically, I was going to show you that on the very bottom of this thing here, it has a little thing right there. I don't know if you can see it. It says DOCSIS 3.0 voice gateway. This is made by Cisco, but it's an XB3, but it is a DOCSIS 3.0. That's what we're talking about today. Okay, DOCSIS 3.0 is the old school operating system with Comcast. So if you've got anything higher, Blast or higher, you need to upgrade to that new modem, that white one, or the little gray one they got, the little XB6 or the XB7. Those are DOCSIS 3.0, 3.1 modems. And what those do, those have a more up-to-date microprocessor inside of them, and they allow you to obtain faster speeds. So this thing right here is only going to push out about 150 now. It's been shut down to where it only, I mean, you'll get you 200, but it's going to be, you know, you're going to be pushing it to get 200 on it. So if you got Blast or higher, I recommend you calling Comcast and tell them to send you out the XB7. That's the newest, latest, greatest technology, the DOCSIS 3.1 modem. It's just like this, but smaller. It's got one little light on top. I got a video on here about it if you guys want to know what it looks like and what it's about. I got a breakdown video of it. Basically, think of it as like Windows operating system. Every couple of years they come out with a new one. Windows 10, you know, Windows 98, Windows XP, all this. This is the same thing. Xfinity, every so many years, upgrades their system and moves DOCSIS on up. So eventually it'll be DOCSIS 4.0. That's coming soon, by the way. It's in the making right now. It's like maybe 3 or 4 years away, depending on the market. But that's going to be phenomenal. That's going to give you 6 gigs to home. But you got to have a device that can pull that many gigs, though. It ain't just going to pop on your phone and be 6 gigs. You got to have a device with the right amount of RAM and all that good stuff. But DOCSIS 3.0 is the slower version, Comcast modem, gateway, whatever you want to call it. Even if you got customer-owned equipment, if you got like you got your own little Netgear router, Netgear modem, Motorola, whatever you got, flip it over on the bottom, see if it says DOCSIS 3.0. If it does, and you're paying for Blast or higher, go get you a DOCSIS 3.1 modem. Put it on your account, hook it up, and your internet will be way faster, guaranteed. Thank y'all very much for watching. I am the Cable Doctor. Please like and subscribe, and as always, watch my videos, watch the commercials, because that's how I make money. I know it gets aggravating, but that's how I make a living. Thank you very much. Y'all have a good day.